This is another Salem County service commercial, and we're at the Salem County Mosquito Control Office here with Autumn, who is a Salem County biologist. Autumn, I think this is a follow-up from one of the previous videos that we took. Could you tell us what you're doing?
Absolutely. In the last video, I showed you how I deep froze the mosquitoes that I collected for vector surveillance. The reason for vector surveillance, again, is to collect mosquitoes throughout the county and have them tested at the state lab for various diseases. We want to make sure that everyone stays safe and disease-free. So the mosquitoes that I had in the freezer, I brought inside, and I have them in this cooler with some dry ice to keep them cold. This was one of the containers that we saw get frozen. And what I need to do after them freezing is to open it. It's quite frozen shut. And I'll take everything out. Oh, look at that. There's no mosquitoes in this one. That's a good thing. We don't ever complain about that. So we'll move on to the next one. And what we want to do, we want to take every mosquito out of here, but we want to leave behind any of the other bugs. I don't know what I did with my forceps. Here they are. So all of these mosquitoes need to go on this ice tray. Now the reason for that is because it maintains the cold chain. So they were frozen alive in the deep freezer, which means the virus is still alive. Now I have to continue that cold chain in order to keep that virus alive. That way we can test to see if there's a virus present in these mosquitoes. So I have these metal trays with dry ice in between, and that's what keeps the cold chain at this point. The next thing that I will do is I will identify all of these mosquitoes that just came out of that trap, and each of these mosquitoes is unique, and each species from each date and from each trap type will go into a vial. And then these vials are transported to the State Health Lab in Trenton, and they are tested for mosquito-borne diseases such as West Nile virus, Eastern equine encephalitis, Zika virus, dengue virus 1 through 4, and also chikungunya virus. Not every mosquito is tested for every disease. I do that based on the species, because not every species actually carries each of those diseases. If you have any more questions or if you'd like to learn more, please just give me a call. That's at 769-3255.
Great. Thank you for helping to keep Salem County mosquito free. And this is a free service that's provided to our residents.
Absolutely.
Great. Thank you.